Okay, this is unrehearsed. We're at Anchor having lunch, and we're playing What's That Noise? What's That Smell? So, Mindy, you start first with your noise.
Ka-chunk, 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 ka-chunk.
Okay, you guys out there in YouTube land, what does that mean? Okay, next. What is that? You guys in YouTube land, think about it. Elise, do you have a noise?
No, I don't.
Okay, well, let's go back to see if you had another noise.
It asked me if I had any smells.
Okay, so that's the third question, you guys in YouTube
But
land.
I have the smell. What's that smell, right? If you smell
What-
something that smells like a boy's locker room, that usually means that your filters, your
Don't give the answer.
okay, I won't tell you.
You
I'll tell
guys in
what kind of
YouTube land, you got to write Captain Chris the answers. So the first question is,
you know
do it.
Oh, ka-chunk, 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 ka-chunk.
The second question is, the third question, and the fourth.
Boys' locker room.
Okay, so write to Captain Chris with your answers, and Elise will be glad to answer them for you because I'm off somewhere.